Hi, my name is Dan Sieler. I'm the training manager for Raven's Applied Technology Division. The training that I work with is working with the distribution network of the Raven products. Our new training facility that we have here, at our innovation campus, we've developed because of the ongoing need and desire for our distribution network to want to learn more about our products, from what's new, where we've been, even our legacy products. When we go through training in the past, we've always been to capacity in our training rooms, and at times have had to turn people away because we just didn't have the room for that good one-on-one teacher-student interaction. So with our new training facility here that we've developed, we've increased our capacity for the attendance, and that helps us reach out and get our network of dealers up to speed on training. Part of some of the advantages that they benefit from in the class are, if you're new to the Raven product, we get you up to speed and make you feel comfortable with it, so you can get out there and present and sell the products comfortably and confidently, making sure that not only do you have the right product for the end user, but also you can set it up and even assist them if they have any questions on the operation of the system. Some of the other advantages with the service schools is, our big thing is when they come into class and go through the service schools, at the end of every service school we do a survey, and with that survey we get feedback on what did we do right, did you learn something, how do you feel your knowledge level of Raven products is increased, and also what do you feel we could do to improve it. We've done that for the past several years, and we take that feedback from the customers, or rather the distributors, very seriously, and that has helped us increase the quality of our service schools. Some of the things that we've had recently in the past is everybody always wants to have more hands-on, and that's where people really learn, not just sitting in a classroom watching a PowerPoint presentation. Our initiative as time goes on is to always add more hands-on capability, and that's where this Innovation Training Center really helps us out. As you can see behind us, is what you actually see from the classroom. So if we're doing an unveiling of a new product and you want to keep everybody in the classroom, they can see what's going on out there. Or likewise, we've used the shop area for hands-on classrooms, actually having labs of how do you set up a system, how do you troubleshoot it, putting a system together, doing an installation, all the way to hydraulics, you name it. That's what we want to use the shop for, really implement that, get your hands dirty and work with stuff and really put the rubber to the road. With the classroom, another thing that we also have built into this facility is the ability to log in remotely. That's another initiative of we want to be able to reach out. We're growing worldwide. We're already over in Russia, Ukraine, South America, you name it. We're about in every country. And the issue I've seen from my personal standpoint is, how do we get training to everybody in a timely fashion? A new product or an upgrade to a product, something simple like that. There's always this time gap to when anybody can get that information, so they can there again sell it and promote it and help their customers make the right choice and get it installed correctly. Now in this system we have WebEx capability. It's essentially like a distance learning classroom is where we want to take everything with this facility out here. It's kind of like watching a movie, and I thought about that several times, and that's part of the distance learning side of things, is when we do the classes, everything that we do, we can document and actually have a recording, whether it's camera, WebEx, you name it. And for me, that's a thing of being able to go back and, like that movie you watch it a second time, you always catch something new, or you find something new that you never noticed before. I feel the same thing happens with training. When you go through training, there's a lot to learn. It's always hard to remember. You got the handout. But now, what if we could record that information and have it documented and saved on a server where, say for example, you go to class in November and springtime comes around. There's some information that you might have forgotten, So now you could log in or have a copy of the class that you went to and view that recording, and to really emphasize and bring up everything that you've learned in class. So now you're stronger, you're more confident, you can service the customer better, because now you've enhanced your, you're able to repeat the class. Or on the flip side, there's also the possibility where we could have you log in remotely. Maybe you've gone to class before and you say, it's been a while since I've learned about the steering system. I want to catch up on what's new, or just recap what I've learned before. Have the ability to log in remotely and view the class, saving time, not having to travel, saving money. You can get back to business and take care of things and not be gone for 2 to 3 days. So there's more time in the office being able to service everybody.